In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the vast deep. And the Spirit of God hovered over the surface of the waters. Day 1. God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. That was the first day. Day 2. God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, to separate water from water." So God made the expanse and separated the water under the expanse from the water above it. God called the expanse sky. That was the second day. Day 3. God said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered to one place, so that dry land may appear." And so it was. God called the dry land earth, and the gathered waters he called seas. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth vegetation, seed-bearing plants, and fruit trees bearing fruit according to their kinds." And so it was. God saw that it was good. That was the third day. Day 4. God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night." So God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day and the lesser light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God saw that it was good. That was the 4th day. Day 5. God said, "Let the waters teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the sky." So God created the great sea, creatures and every living thing that moves in the waters, as well as every winged bird. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters of the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." That was the 5th day. Day 6. God said, "Let the earth bring forth living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creeping things, and wild animals according to their kinds." And so it was. God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and all the animals on the earth." So God created man in his own image. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said, God said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over all the creatures that move on the earth." God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. That was the 6th day. Day 7. On the 7th day, God finished his work of creation, and he rested. God blessed the 7th day and made it holy, for on it he rested from all the work he had done in creation.